Hello, everyone. I'm Tatsuaki Kawai, President and CEO of Brass Corporation. Thank you for watching the Brass IR channel. I will now explain the consolidated financial results for the first quarter of the fiscal year ending July 2026. Net sales amounted to 3.173 billion yen, representing 99.8% year-on-year. Operating loss was 163 million yen. Net loss attributable to owners of the parent was 142 million yen. While net sales remained consistent with the same period last year, profitability was impacted by rising food costs and personnel expenses. These represent strategic, forward-looking investments to strengthen our structure for future growth. Regarding progress against the plan, net sales were generally in line with expectations. However, profits were impacted by higher-than-expected capital expenditures, including costs related to the new Tokyo location, as well as fluctuations in the cost of sales ratio. Next, I will explain the trends in our key indicators. The number of weddings held was 732, representing 95.4% year-on-year. The number of orders received was 944, representing 108.4% year-on-year. The average spending per wedding was 4.032 million yen, representing 102.1% year-on-year. Next, I will provide additional details on each item. The number of weddings held in this first quarter was slightly below expectations, however. We will work to increase the number of weddings in order to achieve our full-year plan. The number of bookings reached a record high for a single quarter. Our new store is also performing well in terms of bookings. Average spending per wedding continues to show an upward trend. The consolidated balance sheet is shown here. Regarding dividends, we plan a year-end dividend of 8 yen for the fiscal year ending July 2026. And there's no change from the initial plan. We'll continue to provide stable shareholder returns. Next, we will move on to the Q&A session. The first question is, you reported a loss in the first quarter. Were there any specific factors compared to typical years? As explained earlier, the primary factor was the upfront investment associated with the opening of our new location, Brass Blue Tokyo. Although this investment has temporarily impacted our earnings, bookings remain strong, and we expect to recover the investment at an early stage. Moving on to the second question. Progress toward the full-year plan seems a bit behind schedule. Is this going to be an issue? The first quarter includes the opening of a new location and is structurally a low-profit period. We will continue to work toward achieving our full-year plan by expanding net sales and improving profitability. Now for the third question. Bookings remain strong. Have there been any changes in your marketing strategy? Advertising costs have been rising. Accordingly, we are reviewing our advertising allocation with a greater focus on investment efficiency. Of course, increasing the number of venue visits is critical, as it directly leads to higher contract volumes. To achieve this, we focus on both customer acquisition through advertising and referrals, which are a key source of business for us. We have been strengthening these initiatives year by year and placed particular emphasis on them during this quarter. We are also working to reduce the cost per venue visit over time, while maintaining a focus on attracting high-quality customers. This concludes the Q&A session. Thank you very much for watching this presentation video. We truly appreciate your continued support going forward. If you have any questions regarding this video or our financial results, please feel free to contact us. We also welcome any questions you would like us to address in future videos. We look forward to speaking with you again at our next time.